Hello, welcome students to Future Guide Academy with me, Mr. Barry K. This morning, we are focusing on the grade 9s and specifically social studies. And we are starting up the first topic, which is history. And this is just a part of social studies. You know that social studies is made up of 3: civics, geography, and history. And that's the first part of history. Now, as we begin, the first thing we are supposed to define what history is, and then thereafter we are going to continue. Now, how best can we define history? There are a number of definitions that we are going to come across, but we are only going to focus on 3. The first one, we are saying history is simply the study of the past. That's the simplest one, not so. The study of the past. The second one, we are saying history is the study of the present, future, as well as the past. Present, future, and the past. That's the second definition. The last one, it's a bit longer, but you're supposed to master it. We are saying history is simply the study of social, political, economical, technological, and other past events which are related to man and his environment. I say social, political, economical, technological, and other past events related to man and his environment. Now, let's write the 3 definitions. We are saying 1, the study of the past. 2, saying the study of the past, present, and future. The third one, we are saying the study of social, political, economical, technological, and other past events related to man and his environment. So we are saying these are the 3 definitions that we have in history. Now, since we are talking about history, we are supposed to understand the word history. This one comes from a Greek word known as historia. This one comes from a Greek word known as what? Historia. Now, what does the word historia mean? The word historia simply means to inquire or do what? To search. So meaning, mostly when we are talking about activities in history, we are going to be inquiring about what happened in the past. We are also going to be searching what happened in the past. The other thing that you are supposed to know is who was the first person to search or inquire about the past. The first person to inquire or search was known as Herodotus. Herodotus. And this one, he came from Greece. He came from where? Greece. And because of that, Herodotus is known to be the father of history. So Herodotus is the father of history. If a question comes, who is the father of history, you're supposed to know to say it's Herodotus. Now, after looking at all this, there is another question. Why then do we learn about the past? What is the purpose of learning about the past? Let's consider those points. Why do we learn about the past? why do we learn about the past? Now, under this number of topics, there are a number of points that you are supposed to know. Why is it important that today we learn about the past? One is to know our origin. To know our origin. When we are talking about our origin, we are talking about where do we come from as human beings. There are a number of things that are stated about the origin of human beings. Where do we come from? The other thing, to know about our culture. To know about our culture. We've got a number of where people live in Zambia. Now, each culture, each group with its own culture is important, and the people that are coming are supposed to know. So what can help us to know about that culture is through learning about what happened in the past. The third one is to prepare the future. Prepare the future. If you as a human being, you reflect on what happened in the past, it's possible to prepare your future, because you look at what happened in the past and be able to see how best you can be in your future. The fourth point is to learn about the past mistakes. And make corrections. There are a lot of things that were done in the past that are not good. So after reflecting on them, we are able to correct them. For instance, take for instance what happened a long time ago. If a human being or if a woman has got twins, they used to kill them or throw them into somewhere where they will not come back. But after individuals learned to say twins also are normal human beings, they started treating them well. Even albinos in the past were killed because of not knowing that they were also normal human beings. So it was after learning on those mistakes that people have made corrections today. So these are some of the points why it's important for you and I today to learn about the past through history. So take history not just as a subject, but something to help you to build and prepare your own future. In our next lesson, we are going to see how can we learn about the past, ways or methods we use about learning about the past. Thank you very much, and remember to follow us on Facebook and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you, I'm Mr. Perry K. See you.